Okay, I just picked up some options here on BABA at 155. So this is actually my second options trade of the day. I'm learning, but best way to learn is to finally put some money on the line. So yeah, kind of bear with me. Let's see if we can see what happens. I need the price to go back down, and if that happens, then this is going to rise in value. So I'm trying to figure out where's the best place to put this. I guess right here would be good for now. So again, I think the price is going to go down. Therefore, I think these options will go up here. So let's see what happens here with it. These are the option prices over here. I got in at 155, so these are option level 2s over here. So if this rolls over here, that should be good. Okay, just getting my order window open in the other spot over there. I'm more so tracking on the 5-minute. This is actually the 2-minute. Looking like on the level 2s, 112.70 seems to be that area of support that needs to fall. And if that can happen, then hopefully these options can start to increase in price there for me. They're trying to. 112.70, definitely an area of support here on level 2s. I'm still here just observing the action. See if it can roll back a little bit more. Well, I think I'm going to just sell these. I don't want to get this loss too far out of control. So I have an order in to sell at 135. It's looking like I may be getting a favorable candlestick here forming. Again, 112.70 is that key area of support. It almost looks like 112.80 now is a newer area that is formed. See what I mean? All those 112.80s just getting hammered, and it's still just sitting there. The one encouraging thing is the SPY has been bouncing, and this one has not really been going with it. So I feel like if the SPY can just have even somewhat of a downwards move, then maybe that'll make the rest of the market kind of just drag it down with it. All right, I'm going to pause the video. I will keep you updated. Well, I did sell and took a $100 loss on it. So a good little learning lesson here. I'm going to let the rest of this play out. Technically speaking, should have probably still been holding. But like I said, I'm just figuring out still even how to put in orders. So I had I bought at 155. So let's just we'll kind of paper trade it from here, and we'll see how things played out here. But I sold at 135. So I'm going to pause it, and I'll let you know. It's still very possible that this could roll over, which is what my thinking was. But I don't know. We'll see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. All right. Well, they're looking like the move I was hoping for. 112.70 kind of broke. But if this continues to pull back like I originally thought. Again, 112.70, still you can see the price just hanging up around here, having a hard time separating from it to the downside. I'm looking over at the other 5-minute chart. Let's see, 112.66. Any closes below 112.66, or that my guess is going to be this thing should make at least enough of a move to the downside where it would make the options that much more attractive. So I suppose now in hindsight, if I had held, I could at least have sold for break even. As you can see, 155 over here on the bid. So like I said, 112.66 is key, and you can see right over here. It's amazing how charts and level 2s work together. There is that now broken, and so now I'd be in the green here on my options. $112.50, just the big round kind of half-century mark. So now I'd be up 15 cents there when it was 112.70. So that look at all the orders right there. If 112.50 can't hold up, then so we're kind of paper trading in hindsight here. Obviously, I'm already out, but we can play the game. Had I held and just let my original trade idea plan hold out, which is now coming to fruition. There we go. So now I'd be up, what, 20 cents on those options. Now I'd be up 25 cents, 180 over here. So you can see, this is why I'm very enthralled with options, because, what did I risk? I risked, right around $100. And it didn't quite work out. Well, it did work out. I just, kind of, I think my newbie, just jitters a little bit got to me here. But, risk just $100, and, if you have a small account, I mean, you could still play a stock like this, because really, when you play the options, it's just that much cheaper. So yeah, it's gone up as high as on the bid $1.80. So that was a 25-cent move, if not more, maybe coming. Looking like it's trying to put in a little hammer here. I'm going to pause it, and I'll let it play out a little bit more. Okay, coming up on another key break of 112.30. So if 112.30 fails, then this bid should rise that much more. So I wanted to catch it on video. Just all right. Well, you can see right here. Let's see that. Actually, let me do this. So move that up like that. That seems to be a new little area of support right there. Let's see, 112.57, or excuse me, 112.32, 112.32. So 112.32 definitely the key area of support where any sort of breaks, and then especially a close below 112.32. And you know, this bid side here is going to go up that much more. Why do I talk about the bid side? Well, that's where you can for sure get out. So, well, now we're getting a bouncer. So maybe that's going to be the final bottom here. We shall see. Well, if I'm keeping things realistic here, you know, as a paper trade, you know, this move here would have more than likely knocked me out. But you saw, you know, had I just held on, you know, this small little move here within the stock produced a very nice size gain over here in the options. So I got it wrong because I sold and took the loss on it. But it's reassuring now as I sit here and say, yeah, you know, my trade idea actually played out like I thought it would, and it would have been a very nice score on the options. And at the end of the day, it didn't work out. And even with you know, my kind of little screw up, you know, I was still able to you know, just only lose $100. And while that may, so it was very favorable in terms of a risk versus reward. So risking $100 to potentially make you know, a lot more than that, especially, you know, think about this, if this move had really collapsed, you know, then those options would have been worth, you know, that much more. So anyways, I got to wrap things up. Big thing with options, and, you know, don't even think about trying options unless you understand technical analysis. You know, that's really what they're all about. So on that note, if you're interested in learning how to use technical analysis, candlesticks, you know, all this sort of stuff that you saw in the video, then I'd encourage you to go to claytrader.com. I have many courses, also have a private trading group where there's a chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter with my scans and watch list. And if you want everything kind of bundled together in terms of all my courses, lifetime membership to the trading group, then check out Clay Trader University. That's you know, where you get bulk discount pricing. I'm biased. I'll be the first to admit that I'm biased, but I will say that all the testimonials on the site are third-party, unsolicited, uncompensated, so check those out. And finally, if you found this video helpful and would like me to maybe make some more option videos like this, please click the like button and leave some comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.